Namaste. I am Dr. Jyotsna Pulipati, naturopathy doctor. Today in this video, we are going to demonstrate specific asanas which will help reduce the knee pain. There are people nowadays, knee pain has become a major issue, especially for people above 50 years and 60 years. Earlier it used to be, but nowadays we see knee pains for people even in youngsters about 20 years or 30 years. It can be because of various reasons like wear and tear while doing any kind of a vigorous exercise like in gymming, aerobics, jumping, etc. So for any kind of a person suffering from a knee pain, which is not very acute, we can have this specific postures in yoga that will help strengthen especially the muscles, the quadriceps and the hamstrings. So in this video, let us see such few asanas. Today, I have with me my friend, Mrs. Yoga Shantiya, who is practicing yoga since several years and is associated with us. Welcome, Yoga. So let's begin. First, we will start with in the lying down position. Just lie down on your back. So in knee pains, what is important for us to see is it should be a non-weight bearing exercise and it should be a strengthening exercise. So the first one, let us do ankle stretches. As you stretch your ankles in and out, this helps move the patella of the knee and also help strengthen the knee joint. Then ankle rotations, keep your feet apart and fully rotate your ankles in opposite directions. As you keep doing, you can feel the stretch in the thigh muscles and the back of the thigh muscles. That is both quadriceps, the front of the thigh, and hamstrings, the back of the thigh. And relax. Next, we will go for doing Uttan padasana. But in this, for specifically controlling the knee pain, the leg has to be raised only up to 60 degrees. How we do it? Inhale and lift up. Take the leg only up to 60 degrees. Keep the foot and ankle stretched outwards. This gives a great stretch and strength to the quadriceps, the thigh muscles. As you exhale, slowly come down. Now inhale, lift the other leg straight up. Even if you have pain in one knee, but we need to practice for both the knees because the other knee also would be likely to get affected. You can hold the position starting from 5 seconds to 10 seconds to 20 seconds. And you can breathe normally in the position. Slowly exhale, come down. You can begin with 6 repetitions and slowly increase to 10 repetitions morning and evening. The other asana, which is extremely good for strengthening the knees, is Pawan muktasan. Single leg Pawan muktasan. In this, slowly inhale, lift the right leg straight up. Exhale, fold the knee. Lock your fingers around the knee, take the knee towards the chest and lift up your head and chest, trying to touch the chin to the knee. But many people, if they have back pain or neck pain, will not be able to lift the head. In that case, you can rest the head on the ground and just do this Pawan muktasan. Fully contract the muscles, pull them towards the chest and exhale, slowly release the knee. Same thing on the other side. Inhale, lift the leg up. Exhale, bend the knee. Interlock your fingers, pull the knee to the chest. Contract the knee. Feel the contraction in the knee and the leg muscles. Hold it for about 10 seconds and exhale, slowly stretch out the leg. Next, we will go for doing specific asana, knee twisting. In this will help again strengthen the muscles. Fold both the legs. Keep feet apart, knees apart, hands either locked above the head or hands by the side of the body. Now, slowly, gently twist your right knee. Try taking the knee towards the foot or heel of the left leg. This helps strengthen the quadriceps. You can hold the position, breathe normally in the position. Gently inhale, bring the knee up. Then the other knee. Exhale as you bend it down. Inhale, slowly bring it up. You can continue the repetitions starting with 10 counts on each side, and you can slowly go up to 20 counts. And then slowly stretch out both the legs and relax. So these are the specific asanas which will help strengthen the knee. We will show further more asanas on the chair in the next video. Thank you so much. Namaste.